All right, so Mopar wants about $100 for the throttle body connector built-in TPS. So we talked to some people in the Fiat group, and we came across this part. Actually, it's not in the box. I plugged it in off of Amazon, 16 bucks. It actually is labeled for a Ford Mustang. However, snaps right in, fits exactly like the OEM, and it actually connects very good. I can't even hardly get the connector back off. It snaps in so good. Big difference than the original one I had on there. Okay, so we'll take that off there. We'll take a look. Let's compare the two. Okay, so we got this one, the original. We compare the outside, exactly the same. These are just white wires, so you'll have to wire them up correctly. And then when you take a look at the pins, this is the big thing. See how on the one on the right, the new one, you can see the pin connectors inside. You can see how they are raised, but when you look in the old one, you can't see them. That's the problem. The connector on the original harness is not making connection with the throttle body pins, which is throwing the computer in a very angry mode and will not run. So let's get this new harness plugged in. These wires are just complete trash, so we're gonna switch them out with this new pigtail. We just got this pigtail done. You can see we wired it up according to the original, which is down here. So we took this, we did one wire at a time. You saw that we soldered it and all that stuff, and then got that together. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in, put the battery back in, and see if we have throttle response. Finally got the battery and stuff wired up, so let's move around to the front and see if we can't get this engine started. Test out our clutch pedal we put in and everything. So all right, let's put our key in, key forward, make sure it doesn't start. Okay, no start, meaning we don't have the clutch pushed in. So now let's push the clutch in and see if we can get her to fire up. All right, so we got that cold start. Now let's see if we got throttle. All right, we got all kinds of codes on the dash because we got it in the air, and not all the sensors are done and wheels aren't hooked up and all that stuff. So we'll have to drive it and let it relearn and reload the adaptive parameters. But we definitely have throttle now, so that's a plus.